Hello Diamonds, you're most welcome on our YouTube channel Well the Star. Today we are discussing about on the topic economic sectors. So we all know there are three economic sector: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. So in the primary sector we consider the agriculture activities. Agriculture activities it means the most prominent activities done by the agriculture based products. After all, we are considered the natural resources like minings, the fishery, animal husbandry. All these are activities are related to the natural resources. That's why we can say that primary sector is related to the agriculture based sector. And if we are consider the secondary sector, that is are based on the industries. So we can also say that secondary sector is the industrial sector in which all the industries it means the all the sectors like it means subsector of the sectors. There are the FMCG like fast moving consumer goods, IT sector. In this we can consider all the construction work, all the factories. And if we goes in the third sector, that is the tertiary sector, and we can also say that is the service sector. Service sector it means there we provide only service, not we are producing any goods, we only providing the service. That's why the tertiary sector is also known as the service sector, in which all the services are provided in the many forms like banking, like transport, like communication, and like other many ways. Here we are not producing by manual, but we genuinely processing by the providing the service. That's why the third sector is the third sector is also a core point of both sector. It means the primary sector and third secondary sector are the key point of the third sectors. So primary sector, agriculture based sector; secondary sector, industry based sector; third sector, the service sector. So all the three sector are the economic sector. So thanks a lot. This conversation only to clarify the basic of economic sector. Thanks a lot.